The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a game changer in the world of flagship smartphones, and the latest leaks only add to the excitement. Samsung's upcoming non-foldable flagship has been making waves with its sleek design and groundbreaking features, and we've got all the juicy details for you. Let's start with one of the most talked about aspects of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, its bezels. Leaked photos and videos have shown a device with impressively slim bezels around the display, slimmer than what we've seen on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. These bezels are so thin that they're even being compared to those of the latest flagship smartphones from other brands. But the biggest revelation comes from a trusted source at Universes on X, who claims that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have the thinnest bezels of any smartphone on the market to date. According to at Universes, they've seen renders of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and the bezel game is unmatched. This means Samsung's newest flagship will outshine not just its predecessor, but also industry heavyweights like the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Xiaomi 15. For Samsung fans, this is a thrilling confirmation of the company's commitment to pushing design boundaries. It's a big win for those who love edge-to-edge screens with minimal distractions, and positions the Galaxy S25 Ultra as a design leader in the smartphone world. But the Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just about cutting-edge bezels. It's also set to make a splash with its stunning color options. Another leak has revealed the 4 color variants that will be available for this flagship device: black, blue, gray, and white. Let's break them down. The black variant will feature a black back cover paired with a silver frame, offering a classic and elegant look. This is perfect for those who prefer a timeless design. Then we have the blue variant, which takes a more playful approach. It boasts a light blue back cover with a silver frame as a subtle hint of blue, giving it a fresh and modern vibe. For fans of lighter hues, the white variant is a standout choice. It combines a white back cover with a very light silver frame, resulting in a clean and sophisticated aesthetic. Finally, there's the gray variant, which comes with a gray back cover featuring a hint of gold and a matching frame. This option strikes a perfect balance between subtlety and luxury. Each of these color options brings something unique to the table, catering to a wide range of tastes. Whether you're drawn to the timeless elegance of black, the playful energy of blue, the clean sophistication of white, or the luxurious touch of gray, the Galaxy S25 Ultra has a look for everyone. When you combine these stunning color options with the sleek design and ultra-slim bezels, it's clear that the Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to be one of the best-looking smartphones on the market. Samsung has always been known for its attention to detail, and this device is no exception. Every element of the design seems carefully considered, from the frame's finishes to the way the colors complement the overall aesthetic. Leaks and rumors suggest that this device will not only look incredible, but also pack a punch in terms of performance and features. But we'll have to wait for the official announcement to get all the details. What we've seen so far paints a promising picture. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch. If the leaks are any indication, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is going to be a showstopper. Let us know in the comments which color variant you're most excited about and what you think of those ultra-slim bezels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. New Galaxy Z Fold model arriving this year. If the leaks hadn't convinced you yet, today's announcement confirms it. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is real and it's arriving soon. But now the big question is, how does this special edition differ from the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which was released just a few months ago? One of the first differences between these two foldables is their availability. While the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is available in various markets around the world, the special edition might be harder to get. Samsung has only announced it in South Korea so far, with plans for it to reach China next. If you're in the West or other regions where the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is sold, you may not see this special edition on store shelves anytime soon. Samsung describes the special edition as the thinnest and lightest Galaxy Fold ever made. Measuring just 10.6 millimeters when folded, it's slightly thinner than the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which comes in at 12.1 millimeters. Additionally, it weighs 236 grams compared to the Fold 6 239 grams. Not a huge difference, but notable for those who prioritize portability. When it comes to dimensions, the special edition is wider than the Fold 6, both when folded and unfolded. This difference gives it a broader display, making it more user-friendly for those who are used to regular smartphones. The unfolded dimensions of the special edition are 157.9, 142.6 x 4.9 millimeters, while the Fold 6 measures 153.5 x 132.6 x 5.6 millimeters. The wider design also leads to different aspect ratios. The special edition boasts a 2018 aspect ratio for its main display, while the Fold 6 uses a more traditional 4:3 ratio. This wider layout offers a slightly better experience for tasks like multitasking or viewing content. Samsung hasn't revealed much about any potential upgrades to the displays. However, we do know the special edition has an 8.0-inch main display and a 6.5-inch cover screen. In comparison, the Fold 6 has a 7.6-inch main display and a 6.3-inch cover screen. Both phones likely support 120Hz refresh rates, but Samsung hasn't confirmed this. In terms of durability, the special edition is made with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for extra protection and features a distinctive stripe pattern on the back. Its frame is made from armor aluminum, ensuring it stays tough against everyday wear and tear. One surprising difference is the lack of S Pen support on the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. Samsung confirmed this on their South Korean store page. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 does support the S Pen, making it the better choice for fans of Samsung's iconic stylus, even though it requires a separate purchase and doesn't have a built-in slot for storage. If the S Pen isn't a priority for you, the special edition might still be appealing, but it's worth considering this omission before making a decision. Both phones pack serious power under the hood. They share the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, which first appeared in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This powerful chip ensures that both devices can handle demanding tasks with ease. However, the special edition stands out by offering 16GB of RAM as standard, whereas the Fold 6 comes with 12GB. This extra RAM helps the special edition manage tasks like Galaxy AI more efficiently. The special edition also ships with 512GB of internal storage, whereas the Fold 6 gives you options of 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB. As for the battery, both models have a 4400 mAh unit, although Samsung hasn't mentioned if charging speeds differ between them. One of the most notable upgrades on the special edition is the primary camera. The special edition is equipped with a 200-megapixel main camera compared to the 50-megapixel sensor on the Fold 6. This upgrade is significant and could be a game changer for those who prioritize photography on their foldable device. Other camera specs remain similar across both devices, including the telephoto lens and the 4-megapixel under-panel camera. The special edition also has an advantage when it comes to connectivity as it supports Wi-Fi 7. This feature is only found on a few other Samsung devices like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, while the Fold 6 tops out at Wi-Fi 6E. Now, what about the price? The special edition will cost approximately $300 more than the Fold 6. In South Korea, the special edition will be priced at around $2,789,601 or $2,036, while the 512GB Fold 6 goes for $2,388,101 or $1,743. Ultimately, the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition brings some exciting upgrades like a larger display, 16GB of RAM, and a 200-megapixel camera. But if S Pen support is important to you, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might still be the better choice. Either way, both of these foldables are top-tier devices, each with its own strengths.